All units be advised. Whitfield County's 1080, Highway 2. Shots have been fired. Trying to gain further.
90's clear on. Start that way. 58, sorry.
They're passing Lake Cathy.
Lake Cathy, Catoosa Parkway area. I'll keep you updated.
Can we reference 10137S? Vehicle also tried to run over a deputy.
Clear Lake, Toyota Camry, Frank 91116, Tennessee firefighter tag. White, Toyota Camry, Frank 91116, Tennessee firefighter tag. White, Toyota Camry.
Unanswered time. Passing Tunnel Hill Road at this time. Passengers also attempting to get out of the vehicle. It appears they're not going willingly. They're turning onto Leather Lane. I believe that's going to be a dead end. Female passenger, push bump.
58, you want me to step it up? 10-4, which is I'll be doing the same.
I'm clear both units 1033. I believe they're back on Woods Road now. Turn around, they're turning right on Woods Road, southbound Woods Road.
Back to Catoosa Parkway.
Towards Mine Road. Left onto Mine Road, left onto Mine Road. They do not have a unit out with the female. Turning right onto Tunnel Hill Road, right onto Tunnel Hill Road.
10-4. That's heading back to the Whitfield line, isn't it?
That's right.
34, Catoosa. Where'd the female get out at?
Leather Lane.
On Hill Road's going to come out on 201.
There's only one unit in pursuit with this vehicle at this time. They're requesting no closest unit to them.
I'm on Catoosa Parkway, passing the Tiger Creek. I'm trying to get up there, John.
Denver, we're trying to figure out what they're coming up on and where that'll lead to in their county.
10-4. Catoosa, you think it'd be best if I go down Lake Road?
We're trying to get an update. Stand by just one. With all the circles they're doing, I can't really advise.
10-4.
They're on 201 at this time. 201.
They turn left or right?
Stand by.
They went left, they're headed back towards 75.
You guys are heading towards 75?
They're headed towards 75 or back towards 41.
10-4. I'm on Lake. I'm going to try to cut down Willbank and get back to 41. I'm not in Catoosa. GSB know about the 1080.
The female has now entered into a residence at 45 Cowan Lane, uninvited. We've got a 911 call about it.
58 Catoosa. 10-4. 10-4. I'm here coming up on the Whitfield line here at Lake Road. See if you can find out where they're at.
They're on North Varnell Road, southbound on 201. We're trying to get further now. They're in the city of Tunnel Hill.
Top 9508, you want me still being route to them?
Negative. Catoosa and Tunnel Hill now. 140, 10-4.
58, any other unit that's going to Cowan Lane. Jennifer Woods is the female. Also, any unit that's going to the 1080. They've run off road into the mud. Disregard, they're not disabled. The deputy is disabled. 508, they have...
And on the 201 off of the 41.
10-4, they have 3 subjects, gunpoint in custody on George Bond Parkway off the
10-4.
Unit on Cowan, you've passed the residence. Porch lights on to be up on the hill across from the pond. Long dirt driveway.
508. The George Vaughn Parkway is going to be where the Tunnel Hill Police Department is.
Probably back there where all those blue lights are.
He's on Callan, turn left.
I'm out with him.
I'm clear.
508, 534. Go ahead. Have you got her? That's correct. Okay, can you bring her down here to where we're at? Right down here by the PD. Simple.
9558, you're all 10-8 or still en route to Callan or 508's location?
90's out with 508.
90.
You can go 10-8.
Tracy, you need me anywhere?
34, you need somebody out with you?
Send me 4.
10-4, you can stay 10-8.
Simple. Catoosa, I was still en route to 34. You don't need 101 you can show me 10-8.
Well, what's the best way to get there? I have no idea. Come down Tunnel Hill Road till it gets 201 and turn right, and just follow it out that way. Simple. When you get to Tunnel or 201 and turn right, just follow it around. You'll see all the blue lights. We're just off that road. Simple. 534 Catoosa.
Go ahead with your OR.
9414. Also, did you check her for 29s?
Negative, I don't have a DOB.